Hey DV, it's Eleanor.
And Nico.
And this is DVTV. Let's get into some announcements.
Next Wednesday, August 26th is a half day. There'll be no lunch served.
Attention art lovers, the first art club informational meeting will be held on Thursday, August 20th in the art room A153 after school.
This is an informational meeting only and should only take 20 minutes. Please feel free to stop by if you're interested in becoming a member or if you just want to learn more about what they do.
Get ready to see some real art with the senior parking lot painting. Paint times are this Friday from 6 to 9 p.m. and Saturday from 6 to 10 a.m.
Rio Salado will be on campus tomorrow and Friday to help kids sign up for dual enrollment. If you have any questions or need some guidance making sure you are enrolled correctly, come see them in the counseling office.
Also, don't forget that we are still collecting food items for the Tukey Bowl food drive. All donations can be made in the front office.
We have 2 more weeks to beat Mountain Point.
What are you wearing for picture day tomorrow?
Wait, picture day is tomorrow?
Oh yeah, let's learn more about it with Janiyah and Reagan.
Hey DB, I'm Janiyah Cobham.
And I'm Reagan Rasted, and we are your co-editor-in-chiefs of this year's yearbook.
We're ready to tell you everything you need to know about Picture Day.
Picture Day for underclassmen, freshmen, and sophomores will be August 20th, this coming Thursday in the library with your English class.
And juniors, you be ready too. The next day, Friday the 21st, you'll be taking yours in your English class.
But what do I wear to Picture Day?
This outfit, prime example, super cute. This outfit, real bad, don't copy this. What you should do is wear your best attire and make sure you follow school dress code still.
But what if I'm missing the days that we're taking pictures?
Honestly, Reagan, that's really tragic, but don't worry, we have a solution. You can come in on any of those assigned days on the library open hours before school or during your lunch period. But honestly, Reagan, I really don't know what to do about those seniors.
Well, seniors will be taking their portraits with signature images. You can sign up on this QR code, you definitely want to scan this, so you can get the best looking picture for your senior year. That'll be all for today, Thunder.
Bye.
Thanks, guys.
You know, I'm so glad I went to the club fair last week.
Me too. I learned so much about the clubs we offer at DV. I think I'm going to join Rho Kappa.
That would be great, but you can't join.
Why?
You're not old enough yet. Kiani found out all of the details for joining.
Hey DVTV, I'm Kiani. Today we're going to be talking about Rho Kappa with Mr. Beutner. Rho Kappa is an honors social studies club that you can sign up for. Let's learn more about it. Hey DVTV, I'm Kiani and I'm here with
Mr. Beutner.
Mr. Beutner, what are some of the requirements for Rho Kappa that you could tell me?
So Rho Kappa is Desert Vista's charter in the National Honor Society for Social Studies, and the requirements are it's open to juniors and seniors, and basically if you have taken at least 4 semesters of social studies and you plan on completing at least 6 semesters during your time in high school, you're eligible for Rho Kappa. You need a 3.0 grade point average in the social studies classes, and you have to have a 3.0 overall as well.
When are the meetings usually?
Well, we're just starting out this year, and our next meeting is September 1st. So if you're interested in joining Rho Kappa, we hope to see you there. Around school are some flyers like this one, and it's got a QR code on it. Go ahead and fill out that membership form. Meetings are usually once a month, and they'll be posted. And they are both in the morning and after school, because a lot of seniors have either 0 hour or 8th hour.
And where will it be at?
It'll be in this room, C275, my classroom. So if you know where my classroom is, that's where it is.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Wow, that's exciting. I might have to join it for Rho Kappa myself. Back to you, anchors.
I might join Rho Kappa since I'm a junior. Dude, can you stop humming?
Sorry. I'm just humming my favorite song.
That's fair. We asked our choir students what their favorite songs were too.
Hello, my name's Parker, and I'm going to be interviewing choir kids about their favorite songs. What's your name?
Gavin.
What's your favorite song?
Cemetery Drive by My Chemical Romance.
This night
What's your name?
Chloe.
What do you rate that song out of 10?
I'd have to give it an 8 out of 10.
Okay. And then what's your favorite song?
One Way or Another by Blondie.
Okay. What's your name?
Manny.
What do you rate that song out of 10?
A good 7 out of 10.
What's your favorite song?
505 by Arctic Monkeys.
Okay.
Stop and wait a sec. When you look at me like that, my darling.
What's your name?
Leah.
What do you rate that song out of 10?
Like a 6 out of 10.
And what's your favorite song?
Man I Need by Olivia Dean.
Talk to me, talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me. Looks like we're making up for lost time.
What's your name?
Keely,
What do you rate that song out of 10?
9 out of 10.
And what's your favorite song?
Have to Have You from the Lost Boys.
Your pulse is racing, you drive me crazy. How can you blame me? You're so beautiful. In the day.
I'm back here with Gavin. What do you rate that song out of 10?
A 10.
Thank you for your time, and thank you to the choir kids for letting us interview you. Let's go back to Nico and Elena.
They had some great picks. I would definitely check those out later.
Maybe they'll play them next week at the pep assembly.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's learn more about proper pep assembly etiquette with Shaira and Gabby.
What's up, DV? I'm Shaira East reporting for DVTV, and I'm here to go over pep assembly etiquette. So let's get to it.
Hey DV, it's Gabby. And the first rule of pep assembly etiquette is do not be on your phones. Pay attention to the people on the floor and have fun.
Rule 2, volunteer, but not only volunteer, respect those who do volunteer. It takes a lot of courage to go up there and do the activity that was planned.
Rule number 3, do not talk during the assembly unless it's about the assembly. Our student body puts a lot of effort into this, so make sure to be respectful to them.
Rule 4, on August 28th, make sure you have fun. That's the whole reason of this pep assembly. Show your spirit.
Rule 5 of the assembly, wear DV spirit. Your seniors wear your jerseys, classes wear your class shirts, or the colors of DV.
That's it for now, DV. See you at the assembly. Now back to the anchors.
Make sure to show the Spirit Week next week.
I wonder what activities Stuco has planned for next week. I'm guessing it'll be fun.
You know who else was guessing? Salem and Trent. Played the guess, the object. Let's check it out.
Hello, I'm Salem Cadlick. Others call me Ham Bober. First name Ham, last name Bober. I'm from College University. I like cats and dogs, and I absolutely despise pork ribs.
My name's Trent Shirley from Cerritos Preschool, and I love me some ribs. And I hate cats and dogs.
What's up, Desert Vista High School folks? Today I'm helping out by telling you the rules to guess the item. Rule 1. Inform your op of your selected item, whether you stay telling the truth or you lie like crazy. Rule 2. Make your opposition give you some hints to determine their honesty. Rule 3. Guess the item. Bet you didn't get that lol. The last rule, have fun and be safe with your item of choice. Now let's get to round 1 so we can see what Salem and Trent picked up today.
My item is a rack of ribs stacker boneless rib shaped pork patty with barbecue sauce on a bun.
My item is a dinosaur.
Trent?
Yeah.
Could you make your dinosaur walk?
Salem, can you take a bite of those ribs?
I suppose. Just give me like a minute. Okay.
Did you take a bite?
Mm-hmm.
How's that tasting?
Like a rack of ribs stacker. Trent?
Yeah.
Could you, like, Pick your dinosaur up and drop it on the table? Oh my gosh.
So you go ahead and drop your ribs on the table.
I suppose.
All right.
Trenton?
Yeah.
Could you, like, maybe, have it, like, roar?
Of course, Salem. All right, Dino, here you go. Roar! Roar!
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Of course. Salem, could you, can you, like, squish some ribs in your hand? I want to hear the noise of that.
Okay, I suppose. With or without the wrapper?
Without. What?
Okay, I guess, bro. I did it.
All right.
Trenton,
Yeah.
I think you might have a dinosaur.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think you just might really have ribs.
I just might, yeah. We should reveal.
That's all we have for today.
Bye.
Bye.